What's going on, guys? Just going to close this door. As you can see from the front, that sign, this house is up for demolition and it's open. So here I am inside. We're going to take a look around. Driving past, saw the big sign saying what was actually going to be built here, so I thought, why not? Let's stop and see if it's open. Straight away, you can see people have salvaged the wood off the door frame, so I'm guessing this place is going to be picked apart. Let's start in here. Someone's removed the heater, the wood heater. There's also a broken window there. That window's completely open. I'm surprised I haven't seen graffiti. Let's have a look at this. It's got some type of cement blocks in there. More nice wood floors too. And that ceiling is pretty cool. It's really good to see there's no damage, vandalism. That's good. That's the broadband, NBN, National Broadband Network. I think this might be the kitchen. Yep. Oh, the stove. Oven. Westinghouse silhouette. Just trying to figure out how long this place may have been vacated. Obviously the land was purchased by a developer and whoever was in here sold up, so they probably would have had plenty of time to move out. That's why there's nothing here. It's pretty straightforward handover to the developer. Sink's gone. I'll go out here first. Back porch. Got the laundry and the toilet. And another green door. Seen a few green doors lately. Looks like a little bit of just like a sunroom. Spare room, spare back room. It's a nice door. Maybe someone's coming to get it. Backyard's seen better times. They're all thistles. Check down here. Oh, okay, this is the... Oh, there's another room as well. Another bedroom. Or a bedroom. That's a really old light switch. In comparison to the rest of the house, that's really old. A hot tub. A spa bath. Oh yeah, there's a shower in there as well. Taps. Shower head's gone. Someone's busted through there as well. Pushed the whole window through there. Someone's been up in the ceiling. And another room. This is probably the main bedroom. Alright, I think we have covered the whole place. There's the front door. This will be gone soon. So it's always good to document the ones that you know will end up in a pile of rubble very soon. Maybe they'll salvage a few more of the fixtures, who knows. They've started already. Alright guys, I'm going to wrap it up here. Again, let me know your thoughts in the comments. And I will see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching. Cheers guys, bye.